Hello, Amazing Pet TV. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, this is the third day that we are going to check the sweet stick. Oh, this is the third day. See? Almost done. Wow, very good, guys. We almost finished the sweet stick. This one. Very good, cocoa and lemon. Very good. Very nice. Done. Cocoa, lemon, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Cocoa and lemon. Cocoa and lemon. Now let's check Joe and Jay. This is Joe and Jay. Joe and Jay. Hello. Hello. Say hi. And then let's check. Almost done. On the lower side, it's finished already. And then only little on the upper side. So it means that they really love this sweet stick. This the combination of honey, egg, millet. She loved this. Joe really loved this sweet stick. Ooh. You love it? Wow, it's so nice. Love this one. Say hi, say hi. Hello. Oops. Wow, what a lovely couple. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.